Good morning, everybody. The time is now 9:43 in the morning. Saturday, May 2nd. It won't focus, but that's okay. It's May 2nd. I am about to go out for a morning walk. I'm gonna grab me a cup of coffee before, and as last video, my coworker bailed, but he's coming with me today. So that'll be pretty cool. So I will talk to you guys once I get in line for coffee today. Alrighty guys, so we just got in line at Starbucks. It's gonna take us a little bit today. It looks like a long ass line today. I am now in the road. I am the last car in line, but I'll give you guys a quick look at what the line actually looks like. So we got a long way to go, but we'll see how it goes. It should move semi-quick today. We'll hope. Alrighty guys, so I just made it to my normal walking spot. I'm waiting on my crew member now, and we're going to go for a walk. Well, crew member as in one of the people I used to fly with in, technically I flew with him in Vegas. But not flew with him, I saw him in Vegas. There's a story behind that, and then now he's based in Fort Lauderdale with me. So, which is cool. Story behind me running into this guy. I thought he was kind of cute in Starbucks, and me and him both ordered a cold brew, and this cold brew they were out. So the cashier told him, he was like, "Oh, we don't have cold brew," and then she saw my face and she goes, "But you don't look as sad as that guy behind you," and that was me. And I was like, "Oh, you guys know how I get my cold brew. When they don't have it, I get real upset." But anyway, long story short, that happened, and then he was in uniform too, so we struck up a conversation, yada yada yada, and that went down that way, and then I walked away, and then he walked away. I went to the crew room, and then I found out he went to the crew room. I told him, I was like, "Yo, if I knew you were going to the crew room, I would have waited for you." He goes, "No, that's fine. I would wait on the flight. My flight doesn't get here for a while." I was like, "Cool." And then he found me on Facebook, started flirting with me a little bit, gave me his number. That would have been 3 or 4 months ago. Today, we're gonna hang out, go for a walk by the beach. We'll see. But I made a new friend, which is good. And I think that might have been him that just texted me. Anyway, he's like, "You can go on and walk for me, I'll catch up." I was like, "Nah, I'll wait for him." But anyway, long story short, he was already down here, I moved down here, we just haven't hung out since, and I was like, "I want to hang out with you." So now I'm going to hang out with him and chill out, so I will talk to you guys after my walk. Sorry for the long rambling rant that has like nothing to do with anything. Hey guys, I am now home from my walk. The walk went good, and didn't get to see my coworker today. He said he was coming, and then something came up and it didn't happen. But anyway, it was fun. I'm gonna start letting things go and not worrying about what anyone else does in my life. But yeah, I'm about to go find me something to eat and then chill out and watch a new show on Amazon called Upload. So it looks good. I'll give you guys an update once I start that show and see how the first episode goes. Hey guys, change of plans. My roommates decided they wanted to go to McDonald's, so I asked them to pick me up something. So I got chicken nuggets, sweet tea, normal McDonald's stuff. So I got that. I'm about to continue watching Upload and see what's going on. Good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. It is now 8:43 p.m. Saturday, May 2nd. Sorry I didn't record much for you guys today. I got busy with a friend. We ended up day drinking all day, and I didn't bring my camera. So I'm home now. I'm about to go lay down and chill out. I will talk to you guys in the morning. Talk soon. Good morning, everybody. So it is now Sunday, May 3rd. I think is what today is. Today's May 3rd. But anyway, it's May 3rd now. I am up. A little hungover from our festivities yesterday, but it went good. I am now going to go for my morning drive and walk, and then head home, chill out for the rest of the day, because I definitely need to relax after 2 days of hardcore drinking. So I'll talk to you guys once I get to my walking destination. Alrighty guys, I just stopped at Wawa and picked up some Red Bull. Bet you guys can guess the flavor if you've been watching my videos. the cranberry one, and then I got watermelon. I still want the plum one back. But apparently that was just a winter flavor, and I hope they bring it back because that flavor was literally the bomb. And I want it. I'm gonna go hunting for it on Amazon to see if I can find like a pack of that, because I looked on like everywhere else and I can't find it so far. We'll see. But I am now off to go for my drive and my walk. But my day doesn't really have much planned today. I'm a little nauseous today from being hungover. Yesterday I was shit-faced. Not yesterday, the day before yesterday I was shit-faced. Woke up feeling fine. Cool, whatever. But that was with Jaeger. Good to know I can handle my Jaeger. And then yesterday I had vodka. I had Absolute Mandarin and Club Soda. Then I switched from Club Soda to Diet Pepsi. Apparently my body can't handle vodka the same. I had about the same amount of vodka as I did Jaeger, and I feel gross today. I also ate, so it definitely was not because I wasn't eating or drinking. I just don't know. I'm a lot more hungover today. I'm also a little bit sunburned on my face. I don't see it too bad on the camera, but it definitely hurts right here. And then I have it a little bit on my legs, so I was hanging out with my friend yesterday, so you never know. But anyway, everything's going good. I am no longer pissy, but there's a song I listened to this morning called Cowboy Blues by Kesha. Seems to describe my whole freaking life recently, but if you guys ever listen to it, 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's a really good song. Kinda sad, but good. So I'll talk to you guys after my drive. Alrighty guys, guess where I'm at? I'm finally back at the beach area, about to go for my walk. I'm gonna take you guys along with me for this walk today and chill out, because it feels really, it's a little warm, but it feels really nice out, and the breeze is blowing, so it kind of smells like the ocean. That makes me happy. So I will take you guys along with me today. Let's go. Alrighty guys, we just made it to the beach, so we are good now. I am off on my walk. Should be a pretty good day today, I can't complain. The wind is a little loud, but we're gonna jam out for a couple hours. I'll talk to you guys right before I flip and walk back, which will be about like 45 minutes to an hour. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Alrighty guys, for it being a Sunday during quarantine, hella busy today. Don't know how I feel about this. Anytime normally during the week, it ain't too busy today. But today, hella busy, full of people. That's okay though. There's some eye candy. We are good. So I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Alrighty guys, we are now heading back now. So we're heading back to the car. I should be there in like another 30-40 minutes or so. I made it all the way down to the end. We're on the shopping I can't talk today. All of the shopping stores, and there we go, I got it. But anyway, I am now heading back. The beach looks beautiful. Like, take a look at this. Hella pretty. So I am now just going to be walking back. Not doing too much. It actually feels really, really nice out. And if I brought sunscreen, I probably would have stayed out longer. But I didn't do that today, so that's not happening. But next time, I'm going to bring some sunscreen and definitely stay out longer. But who knows? We'll see. I have to go run back to my car, finish my drive, grab me a coffee, and then we're going to head back out. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Alright guys, quick snippet of information. Hardcore about to go quarantine gay and shave this all off because I'm tired of it being this long and definitely might shave it. But we'll see. That's still something that's up in the air, but hardcore thinking about it. You see this? Crazy. Alrighty guys, another thing, I'm still walking back to the car, but weird thing is I get like smiled at and waved to as I'm walking down the street. I'm like, what is this? People aren't normally this friendly to me. I think it's because my hair's a hot mess, so they feel bad for me. But anyway guys, they are. Everyone's just being like super, super nice. And I'm like, okay. Thanks guys, I appreciate you being nice and waving to me saying hello. But definitely not used to that living in Vegas, but you never know. But alright guys, I'm almost to my car. I will talk to you guys soon. Alrighty guys, so I am now in the line for Starbucks. It's a little long today. I'm down at the road, almost to the back, so really far today. But we're actually moving, so which is good. But my walk went good. People are like too friendly today for no reason. I'm like, this ain't normal. Why are you happy? Why are you smiling at me? Why are you waving? But anyway, I'm in a great mood today. After being hungover this morning, I feel great. So we're good. 2 Red Bulls, a cold brew, definitely help. My new hangover cure. Alrighty guys, I hope all of you are doing great. For those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram at Wenderski, Wenderski 14. It'll also be attached right here for me. You guys can see everything I do when I am not recording, because I tend to do a lot of stories there, or on Snapchat at the same thing. Snapchat at Wenderski 14. It'll be the same as like what it was right here for Instagram. Thanks guys, don't forget to follow me. If you don't follow me, give me that thumbs up. We're not done with the video guys, but I'm doing something a little bit different today. Also hit that push bell for me, because that way you guys can stay up to date with everything I'm doing, because you know, I'm always doing something new between flying, well I guess not flying right now, but a bit of everything really. So I will talk to you guys once I get home. Alrighty guys, I just grabbed my coffee, so we're good. I am now at a red light, so I thought I'd talk to you guys real quick. But anyway guys, it went really, really good. My coffee's good. I love when you take the first sip of your coffee and it's just like, ah, yes, I need it. But anyway guys, the light just turned green. I will talk to you in a little bit. Alrighty guys, so I'm about to head to Target. Guys, guess what? Today is the day. I'm finally going to buy me my KitchenAid mixer in icy blue. I've been saying I want one forever, and I told myself once I actually get settled and stuff, I would buy me one. So we're buying me one. I am super excited. I can't wait. I know it's a weird thing to be like excited about, but I am super, super excited about a KitchenAid mixer. So I'm doing that. I'm gonna try to make macarons, French macarons tonight. Not the coconut ones, a little actual cookie that involves like prepping and everything else with the mixer. So I'll talk to you guys once we get to Target. Guys, we made it to Target. I am super excited. I am about to buy my mixer. All right guys, I will talk to you once I find the mixer in Target. Alrighty cuties, I am now home. Take a look at this. It is here. So I bought my mixer. I'm about to set it up and I'll show you guys once it's out of the box. Alrighty guys, KitchenAid mixer now set up. My egg whites over there are chilling. I have my dry ingredients all ready to go. So I'm waiting for my egg whites to hit room temperature, which might be a couple hours, but we'll see. While those are waiting, I was prepping everything else. I'm all set, ready to go. So we're good. I just gotta wait now. I'll talk to you guys soon. My cool cats and kittens. I got done making the dry part of my macaroons, or macarons, whatever you want to call it, and then I realized that, oh shit, I don't have vanilla extract to make anything else. So I had to run to the store, grab me some vanilla extract. While I'm out here, I'm gonna see if they have piping bags and stuff, see if I can do it that way. If not, I just need vanilla extract. So I'll talk to you guys after I get done with Walmart. Alrighty, my cool cats and kittens. So I could not find piping bags to save my life. I got piping tips, almond extract, another sifter, because the sifter I have, I mean it works, but it's not very good. So I'm just gonna pitch it. But I got a new one, which is a lot better with the crank. But I have that, and I have some gel icing so I can decorate it top. So it should be good. I will talk to you guys once I get home. Alrighty guys, so I made the macaroons. They are now waiting an hour before my show, and then I can bake them. But honestly, I don't think the texture's there. So my first attempt, I don't think went very well, but we will see. I will show you guys in a minute what they look like. But they were looking good all the way up until I folded the stuff in, and then now they're looking a little chunky. So that's them right now. They have to sit for about an hour, let a hard shell form, and then we can bake them and then see what's going to go on. But yeah, I don't think the texture's there. so great. But I'm cleaning up now. I will talk to you guys once I bake them. Okay, my cool cats and kittens. I've iced my macarons. They look rough, but they taste good. I've had a couple. They look real rough. I'm going to continue to work on it. I definitely need to get coarser almond flour, and then I need to work on all of it in general because it was real rough. But for a first attempt, they taste how they're supposed to taste. Do they look anywhere near it? No, I see why people say that's that advanced idea, but we're going to work on it some more. But my macarons, they look very homemade, but they taste good. Like, it tastes good. Not as grainy as I thought they would be, which is good. They just have that like grainy texture, which are like on the outside, which I don't like. Which I found out that's because the almond flour is too like coarse. I need to grind it up some more. And I baked them a little too long, so they're a little brown. And I realized blue is not a good color for macarons. I'm either going to dye them white or do a different color because blue turns green. Not a fun color. But anyway guys, this is where I'm going to wrap the video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Hit that push bell notification so you guys can stay up to date with my future ventures. Thanks guys for following me around everything and watching me with a cooking fail. I will talk to you guys soon.